Welcome and what is up everybody, this is Casper Trader, back here with another video today. And while I'm extremely mad about what happened today, I didn't want this to go down that bad, 1.75%. It's no biggie in the long run because what happened will definitely recover in the very, very short term. So I'm going to be talking about that in today's video, the stocks that I own, the plans with these stocks. But before I get into it, I'd really appreciate if you guys could smash that like button below and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you guys have not yet. I would really, really appreciate it a ton. Alright guys, so the thing that did happen today is I woke up. I was going to look at the stock market right away before it opened, and my phone wouldn't load. Nothing would load. And at the time, I only had access to my phone to look at stocks. So I kept refreshing, turning off my phone, restarting it. And then nothing would work. So at the time, I was like, you know what? Whatever. I can't. I look at the stocks. All right, it's probably doing fine. I got some stable stocks. It's not some 3x ETFs that I need to worry about 24/7. By the time I was getting actually kind of nervous after a few hours about what's going on. So eventually I went and restarted my Wi-Fi, and guess what? It decided to work. So something was off with my Wi-Fi, and I only noticed this when it was like around I think this was around 12 o'clock ish, and it was already really, really low. And while I looked at the stock, it was basically almost at support. And then after I saw it at this place, I saw it bouncing up a little and consolidating. And then there's the 3 stages of reversal, which I've learned from other sources as well. There's the downtrend, there's the consolidation, and there's the uptrend. And what I did notice was the consolidation. So what's probably going to happen now is it's going to reverse, start going back up. But I could have definitely cut my losses really short, maybe around, I don't know, in Planet Fitness, let's see. At 78, probably flat. I could have cut my losses and then bought back down at the support. But whatever happened. I mean, Wi-Fi acts up sometimes, so it's understandable. But other than that, Planet Fitness still looks like it's nearing support with the 50-day moving average. So in all honesty, I still think Planet Fitness, it may drop down to maybe $76 flat, and then it's probably going to start trending upwards, and we're still going to ride this stock up to like $80 or so. So there's no big stress around that. I do understand that we're down, but I noticed this on my phone after I fixed my Wi-Fi, which was a little too late. So whatever happens, happens, and you got to understand that nothing's perfect in life. So that's a little bit of a crazy story that I want to share with you guys. And a decision I made was probably, unless this stock starts acting up and crazy stuff starts happening, Prospect Capital, I'm probably going to hold this stock until its next dividend, and then once it recovers a little bit from the dividend. So I think Prospect Capital will be a little bit of a more long-term stock on my portfolio, to be honest. I'll probably hold it with the dividend being, I think, on June 27th. It's still around 2 weeks away, but it's a solid stock, and it's still recovering from its little drop that it had. So I still see some nice profit potential on this stock. Maybe we'll get around maybe 2, 3, 4, 5%. Maybe not 5%, up to 4% on this stock, which is not too bad. Alright guys, that's the little story I wanted to share with you guys. If you guys did enjoy the video, I hope you guys smash that like button below and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you have not yet. And I can't wait for tomorrow's video, and I may be adding some more portfolio money, soon, just to get like a little bit of portfolio built up. Some more long-term positions and some more swing trade positions. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys in the next one.